Hello guys, this is Farah Fate, and in this video guys we are going to see what your person thinks about you in the month of December 2020. So let's see, my beautiful Scorpion kings and queens, what your person thinks about you in the month of December 2020. What's going on in their mind? This person may be your friend, boyfriend, girlfriend, husband, wife, depend upon your situation, because some of you still might be in school, college, or you might be married to this person. Okay, so let's see what's going on in the mind of this particular person with whom you are dealing with in the month of December 2020. What they are thinking about you, my beautiful Scorpion kings and queens. So let's see and let's hope for the best. Okay, so OMG, this is directly the Empress card what I see in front of me, guys. Okay, so this person is gonna make a decision, Scorpion kings and queens. Okay, so be ready for some action pack. Yeah, be ready for some sort of action. I mean, the person you might be dealing might be going through certain situation in his or her life where he or she needs to choose someone. So there might be some situation where they might cut you or they might select you as uh, empress for themselves as a husband or wife material. You might be coming out. Okay, so if you are being selected by your person or you're engaging with them in the month of December, then it's good for you. Otherwise they may cut you, because this person is taking a decision, what I see with the cards in front of me right now. Okay. Okay, the Ten of Swords literally talks about what? Guys, the energy what I'm getting right now from this card is that, what is the problem between you and this particular person you're dealing with? It's all about slowness in the relationship. Okay, if you want to get in this Empress mode, guys, you need to solve the problems of slowness in the relationship. I think your relationship is not moving the way it has to be. It needs to be fast. So there might be a problem that, he or she may reject you because they are at the verge of making a decision at the end of the year, that is in December 2020. Okay, so you need to get prepared for that. Okay, so what I see with the cards over here is that, mm, though it's a card of Five of Pentacle, but I'm getting the energy that, there is a stalemate type situation still out there. I think you need to go out and meet this person eye to eye, face to face, or just call them back what you're doing and what you're not. Okay, because the Empress has been followed by Ten of Swords and then moving towards the Five of Pentacles. What that means that he or she might not communicating with you the way he or she needs to communicate, or you used to communicate in the past. Okay, with the Ten of Swords the thoughts are little bit worrisome, but Ten of Swords is already out there. That means it's gonna end, the problem is gonna end, but you need to solve the blockage. The problem is gonna end with the Ten of Swords, but you need to solve the blockage. Okay. Okay, so what I'm getting the energy from this particular card is that, though it's Nine of Wand, but the energy is very positive. The person see you as a self-sufficient, an independent person who enjoys his life, no matter how much he or she earns. So that is good thing, guys, which this person, your person is appreciating about you. So the way you talk, the way you walk is making a ball running in your case, guys. Okay, so what I see with the cards over here, which is looking to the Nine of Wand, it literally talks about what, you work hard, until and unless you win. With the Nine of Wands over here, this is the card of pain, this is the card of labor, this is the card of hardship. But I'm getting that you are making things in your own terms, यानी कि दोस्तों, you are gonna fight until you get the triumph. because you want what you want. In the end, what I see with the cards over here, that victory is going to be yours. Though you might be lacking some career problems, financial problems, still you are looking ahead to reach to the goal of the Empress. And your person is thinking that you are a really go-getter type personality. Okay, let's see the next. Okay, so three of wand over here, it's a waiting card, but I see someone is waiting for perfect timing to enter in your life. That means your person, wherever they are, they think Scorpion kings and queens, this is the best time to enter in your life. Okay, so they are planning to offer you love, to offer you relationship, but they are waiting for the perfect timing. Yeah. Okay, three of cups is there, but what it talks about with the energy right now, along with the ten of swords, five of pentacles over here with nine of wand, three of cups says that mm, there is a little bit confusion. The waiting is there. Why? Because of some career problem. You might be facing some career issues, some financial problems. Okay, and because of that, you're not getting what you want in your life. So this person over here, your partner, is waiting for perfect timing to enter in your life so that he or she can give you what you want. Okay, so they are thinking a positive towards you. Yeah, see, ten of pentacles is coming after three of cups, waiting, then three of cups, then ten of pentacles. So the energy what I'm getting from this card are that your person, it's a ten of pentacles, that means having good times, having family, security, having kids, car, bungalow, and all that stuff. But the energy which this card is giving out is all about that you're going to get support from other people's, for this relationship. In some cases, what happens, guys, the couple is ready to get engaged, but the other peoples are not happy or they might be jealous. But regarding your situation, what I see over here is that you are gonna get a lot of support from other people's, okay, to tie up with this particular person, with this Empress over here. They want to make you their wife or husband, what I see with the cards. Okay, so the other people's around you is definitely gonna be happy to see you together, and they're gonna push you, toward this particular person. With the five of swords over here, something is difficulty is going on. Okay, so Scorpion kings and queens, what I see with the card is that someone out here is going through a bad situation, or something which is not good or not happy situation. Someone is suffering a lot and they want to come out of that situation. Okay, so your person, wherever they are, they want to end that pain, the suffering, and wants to move towards their happiness over here. Okay, the Page of Cups is definitely a card which says that and someone is definitely going to enter in your life to give you the relationship, that love, that caring, the nurturing, and all that stuff. Okay, though it's a mature love, very young energy I'm seeing over here, but the energy which is coming out of this card, and according to the situation and the placement of the cards, what I see over here, they are gonna spy on you. This page energy is very young energy. Okay, and they're gonna spy on your social networking sites. If this particular person might know where you stay, they might come towards your house to see how you are living, what you do for your living, the person whom you are hanging out in restaurant or bar and all that stuff. So definitely they see you as an empress, or they want to give you this 10 of pentacles so that you can become the empress, you know. And they want to bring you out of that 5 of pentacles and 10 of swords situation by offering this page of cups. But before that, the person, the energy which I am seeing right now in front of me is all about spying. They might spy on your social networking site just like Facebook, Instagram, anything, guys. You might be on social networking site, anything. So post those things which are good right now in the month of December 2020. Okay, the future about you two is wow. See, guys, I told about the future about you two is 9 of cups, guys. Definitely I see abundance in your future, a promising new business or venture. You know, you are definitely gonna be very happy with this person if you get married with the 10 of pentacles over here and empress over here with the 9 of cups. I see future with this particular person. So your person sees you as a one, with whom he wants to share his family wealth. If they have a business, then they are definitely going to make you as their partner, or you might join them so that you two can work together. But definitely together you two are going to explore a lot of things, you know. So guys, this was a reading for you, my love. They see you as a marriage material with whom they want to share a lot. Okay, and you're gonna get the 9 of cups because seeing you as a caring, you know, they see you as a person who is very independent, who is sufficient, and enjoy life with little things. You know, those are things which is attracting this particular person in your life. Okay, so guys, this was a reading for you, my love. Bye, take care. And guys, one thing for प्लस पॉइंट, दैट इज द दिलस्कूप +2, यानी कि दोस्तों स्टेज 2 वाली जो रीडिंग है इज गोइंग टू बी अपलोडेड वेरी सून. ओके, बाय, टेक केयर.